Hello friends, I am Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about how to become Amazon seller for beginners, lecture 8. Already I put 7 lectures. If you didn't watch that video, I give you the playlist link in description. You click that video and watch that, and you come to this video. Then only you can understand how it works. Okay guys, in this video we are going to see about Chrome extension. Okay guys, let's enter into the topic. Let's get started. In this video we are going to see about 2 Chrome extensions. It will be very helpful to this Amazon seller course. First extension name is Image I Downloader. This extension is used for download any type of images for this Amazon course. First one is Image I Downloader and second one is Seller Sprite. Okay guys, today we are going to see about what is Image I Downloader and how it works. Okay, let's get into the example. Okay guys, first we are going to see about how to download Image I Downloader. First go to Google Chrome and type Image I Downloader extension. If you click this, it will move on to this page. First, you click this first one, Image I Downloader extension, and it will move on to this page. This is the icon for Image I Downloader, and you directly come here. Here you can see remove from Chrome because I already downloaded this Image I Downloader, so it will show remove from Chrome. If you new to this download this Image I Downloader means it will show add to Chrome. You click that add to Chrome, it automatically store in this page. Okay guys, after you download to add to Chrome, and it will show directly here. Here you can see this Chrome extension. Here Image I Downloader. Okay guys, next we see how it works. First go to this amazon.ae and choose one product. Okay, I choose this product and it will show like this, and you go to this extension. Here you can see the images. These are the images you can see here. Here it will show like this images. You can download from here directly. And how it download means, you go here. You can click this and download. It will automatically, now it's downloaded, it will automatically shows in download page. And you can rotate this, means you can click here. Okay guys, this video is we can see how Image I Downloader, how to download and how it works. Okay guys, if you like this video, click that like button and you subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay guys, thank you for watching.